Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you're getting a Windows socket initialization failed error on your Windows computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty quick tutorial of how to resolve the problem for you guys. And without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to begin by opening up the start menu. Just left click on the start button one time. And you want to type in CMD. Best match should come back with command prompt right above desktop app. Just right click on this and left click on Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, left click on Yes. Now in this command prompt you want to type in ipconfig space /flush DNS, exactly it appears on my screen. So again, ipconfig space /flush DNS. Then you want to hit enter. So once it's said it has successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache, you want to type in netsh space winsock, W-I-N-S-O-C-K, space reset. So again, netsh space winsock space reset. Then you want to hit enter. Should come back that you must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. So just restart your computer and hopefully your problem has been resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.